Hey everybody, my name is John and welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I've experienced delivering with DoorDash, GrubHub, Postmates, and Uber Eats. I make food delivery vlogs on my channel, which is Late Nights, Hustle and Grind, so if you're interested in that type of thing, be sure to check it out. Dylan asked me to come on the channel, so if this video gets enough likes, I will be back again in the future. Like Squad, be sure to smash that like button. Go on, you can do better than that. Click it. Alright, before I get into the video, just take a minute to check out the links below for Cover. It's an easy way to get paid time off and sick leave for gig workers on all apps. Also, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on our channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going over my first 2 weeks of earnings with GrubHub. So the first day I delivered was November 28th, 2019. I ended up making $22 and I actually completed 0 orders. So how that works is with GrubHub, they do something called adjustment pay. I scheduled myself for 2 hours and I didn't get an order. I had one that was for Applebee's. Well, the restaurant was closed. So what happened was I sent cancellation to support, and they went ahead and canceled that order for me. So I ended up getting 22 bucks for my 2 hours scheduled, or $11 an hour. Then on Friday, the 29th, I went out for a little while as well. Nothing too crazy. I made $22.14, and I had a couple of orders. The first one was for Cozumel Mexican cuisine, and then the second one was for Taco Bell. Again, nothing too crazy, some high mileage in there, relatively low tip, but at least I got a tip. I also went out on Saturday. So on Saturday, I only made $19.10, and I went out for 2 orders again in the morning. This time, both orders were from the original Pancake House, and it only took like 45 minutes, so not too bad, I guess, for a short little day. And then for the week, I ended up making, let's see here, $63.24. $28.82 was from delivery pay. $12.42 was in tips, and then the $22 from GrubHub contribution. The following week, my first day out was on December 2nd. So on Monday, I did a little better. I made $44.75. and I completed 5 orders. The funny thing about it is 4 of those orders were all Taco Bell. They are back to back to back to back. And then the 5th order was for Cinco de Mayo Mexican restaurant. So I made $44.75 on Monday. Then on Thursday, December 5th, I went out and worked again. This one was a pretty good night. I made $65.69 and I completed 6 orders. So I picked up from Mezzo Thai Fusion, Havana Cafe, Taco Bell, Stick and Stone Pizza, Taco Bell, and then Rocco's Pizza. Not too bad, a nice little night. Like I said, I made $65.69. And then the next day on Friday, I went out again with GrubHub, and I made $52.15. Not too bad. It was only with 4 orders. I did Rocco's Pizza, Dagapon Grill, Monteroso's Italian Restaurant, and Venezia Ristorante. So for that week, I made a total of $162.59. I completed 15 orders, and with GrubHub pay, I made $101.31, and then through tips, I made $61.28. So not too bad, a pretty good week. Like I said, I do this all part-time, so there's no crazy hours in there, but just some nice supplemental earnings that I could add on top of my full-time work. Thank you everybody for watching. Again, I'm John, and if you want to see me back on the channel, leave this video a thumbs up. Also be sure to subscribe and comment down below. This has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub. See you all next time.